How to create a drop-down navigation bar using VBA. Go to File Options to turn on macros. The Excel options window will pop up. Click on Customize ribbon. From the left drop-down, select all tabs. Click on Developer and then click Add. Now click OK. So these are the 4 tabs that we want on the drop-down list. Click on Developer from the ribbon menu, and then in the Control section, click on the drop-down under Insert. Click on this icon called Combo Box. You're going to insert one of that into your sheet. So you are going to drag to insert this drop-down bar, and making sure that in the Control section, you have Design Mode turned on. So you just click on it, and it'll turn on. And in the drop down here, right click, go to View Code. A separate window will open up like this. You're gonna delete all the information here, and you're going to paste the following code. More information on how to grab this code later. And make sure that on the second drop down here, it says Got Focus. You can close this now and close this window. And now you're going to turn off design mode. So now when you click on the drop down, it'll show the name of those 4 tabs: main, balance sheet, income statement, statement of cash flow, and supporting schedules. And if you click on one of them, it will go directly to that tab. So for example, here it went to the balance sheet tab, and we could test it on another tab. So if, say, I want to go to the supporting schedules, it will go to the supporting schedule tab instead. To copy the VBA code that was used for this, please go to this URL. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow for more.